Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Clean Money here, back in white. How you doing? Yes, I do have a glove on. Trust me, I'm filming in 4K. You don't want to see what's behind this glove. All right, so did pick up a 10-ounce RCM bar. Got this off of Instagram, and they are fantastic. These are my favorite bars to stack if I'm stacking bars at all. And I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should stack these bars. Now, number 1 is because of the liquidity of these bars. There's a reason why they're sold out pretty much everywhere. It's because they're hella liquid and they're highly desired. And whenever you are buying precious metals, and if you've ever bought and sold anything precious metals wise, then you know liquidity is extremely important whenever you're stacking. It's extremely important. You want to have stuff in your stack that's highly desired. It's one of the most important things that no one talks about or no one thinks about is what can you get for it when it's that time to sell. Now, most of us won't sell. We'll just leave it to our kids or whatnot, and that's fair. That's honest. That's fine. But I like having something in my stack that I know is going to do well. The number 2 reason why you should stack these bars is the features of them. Number 1, it says it right there, plain as day, 10 ounce, 4/9 fine. It's got security features in it. And according to the Mint, it is a serrated edge, not a reeded edge, a serrated edge. And the security features alone makes it one of the best bars you can stack. It doesn't have a microchip in it or anything like that. It just makes it a great option. It just security features in today's world full of fakes out there. It's one of the most important things that you can think about whenever you are stacking. Number 3, it's a big one. A lot of people in the stacking community, they don't like the queen, right? You know, on the Royal Canadian Mint coins, you have the queen. Now, it doesn't bother me not one bit to have the queen on any of my bullion. I could care less. It's not something that bothers me. But for some people, it's a major turnoff. And hey, you got to do what you got to do. I do love the Royal Canadian Mint products. I do. And the maple leafs, they're great. They're fantastic. I don't necessarily care about the tubes or anything like that, but I do love the coins. The coins are great. But the RCM bars, they give you that option of having a very pure silver without having that queen on there. So it kind of, broadens the range a little bit for those who don't like having the queen on there. Like I said, doesn't bother me. I prefer to have sovereign bullion. I'm going to give you that as my next reason because, no offense to generic silver, it's just the quality is not the same. And that's something that's important to me, is having something that's not going to do that, right? I haven't had these coins or these rounds long at all, and they all look bad. And it's not like I'm doing anything different, right? There's nothing going on different that I'm doing. This is all about the annealing process, and that's why they're milk spotting like that. So whenever I go to resell those, if I ever go to resell anything, right, I need to know exactly what I'm going to get for them. Now, I'm not going to get nowhere near what I'm going to get for those coins right there. It's just the bottom line. They look like trash. These, they look fantastic, right? I have done absolutely nothing different. I've had these coins in flips the whole time. They look flawless. Perfect. They're actually right beside these. What gives? Quality. It matters. It's important, right? That's why we buy certain things. It's important to have good quality products. So whenever you see someone say you shouldn't stack these bars, or you should, they're not great for an SHTF scenario. Unless you're in an SHTF scenario, how the hell do you know what's going to work or what's not going to work, right? That's why you have variety. That's why you do different things. So just saying that's one of the reasons why you shouldn't stack it. That's more of that HS that I was talking about in the last video. So, things like this, these are great. I love these. I recently picked one of these up, not for stacking. Okay, if you're going to tell people not to stack something, this is probably one of those things you should say not to stack. Not the 10-ounce RCM bar. These are quality bars or quality product from a quality mint. You should absolutely stack those if you're stacking silver. And that's going to do it for today, guys. Short and sweet. Keep grinding on your stack.